What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. It's all about risk management, baby. Check it out. Do you guys want to see chop? That's the question of the day. Do you want to see chop? What chop looks like? Well, I want to see that thumbs up button turn blue. So go ahead and take a second and go bing and turn that little sucker blue for me. Hit the like button so that this video keeps on moving up in the suggestion feed, right? Because when you like the video, comment in the comment section below and subscribe if you haven't, you feed the YouTube algorithm. And remember, the quicker we get to 10,000 subs, the quicker we do that free account giveaway where one lucky subscriber will get one free trading account. And I know there's some people out there who won't believe it. Well, sucks for you. You might miss out then. Chop. Look at the SPY, guys. This is the SPY since July 6th. Today is July 10th. Look at this. What is this? I don't even know what that is. Let's look at it on the 15-minute chart. Maybe it'll make more sense, right? July 6th. Here we go. It doesn't make more sense in the 15-minute chart. It does not. Nope. Look at this. Boom. Pop. That was probably really loud when I said pop, huh? No pop filter here. Drop, pop, drop, pop, drop, pop. Huge. The world is ending. Nah. Like, dude, really? What is happening? And then by consequence, what's happening out here? Look at Tesla. Like, you know, real nice uptrend. This is when I was trading it, really doing well. But then lately, you know, it's just like the same thing. Like chop, 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 drop, chop, 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 pop. Like now, it's just, now it broke 1400. Of course it did. I'm not interested in Tesla again until we break like this 1410 to 1450 area. And that's when I'll be interested in Tesla again. Until then, I have zero or no interest in Tesla because it's just not providing clear, definitive moves. With the exception of, I mean, even this is not clear. Like, this is ridiculous. And this is just popping off now because the SPY decided to, you know, do a little pop here, right back up here to high a day, where it's getting rejected once again. And if you haven't noticed, Tesla and the SPY have tremendous correlation going on. And that's how I've been trading Tesla the last 3 days. And it served me okay. It served me okay. I haven't been able to take fully advantage of it. Like yesterday, I could have made so much money getting puts on Tesla, and I just couldn't. You know, I made decent day yesterday, $237. Never going to complain about that. That's how I finished off the day. But I could have done so much better yesterday. But yeah, see, look, Tesla's pulling back now, and SPY's pulling back a little bit there. At least we got a red candle going. It's just choppy, guys. It is choppy, choppy, choppy action. Today I had, you know, a few stocks on watch. Small caps had no volume in pre-market with the exception of, I think, one or two. WIMI is like killing it out there. That's about it. Everything else was, like, I tweeted a picture. There was literally no volume. It was ridiculous. WIMI, real nice mover. We'll show that one here to you in a few seconds. These are the trade idea scanners. I have, you know, the gappers, the leaders of the day as well here for penny stocks. If I can get this down here, boom. And, you know, it's just a really good scanner system, guys. I'm not gonna like fluff it up with some, you know, BS or something. It's a really good scanner system. You can customize them tremendously. Link in the description section. You can check out more info on them as well as the coupon code there for 15% off, okay? So now we got that out of the way. I was watching Tesla, of course. I was watching BYND, of course, with that gap down off of the back of a press release where I think they got a down rating. WAFU, WAFU, with a big gap up, but as you can see, halt, push, fade. So nothing there. SIMI, oh no, I'm sorry, not SIMI, WIMI. You know, boom, pushes, gets halted in front of the high of the day, pushes a little bit, and then poop. Like, it's just sad what's happening with these small caps. Great moves in pre-market. If you like trading pre-market, you can kill it. you could kill it. If you're good and like trading pre-market, you can kill it. SPAC, big move there, from 1650s all the way up to 1850s, but nothing here. In here, I was watching it and I didn't take a trade on it, but in my mind, I guess you could say I paper traded it, and it was a great setup. Like, it started to work itself out, but this is exactly why I didn't take the actual trade, because I felt with how the trend was going, it wasn't going to get the squeeze up to not even 18, which would have been my first profit target, $17.90, $18 in there, and then hold on to some more for a high day test. Would have taken off a little bit more there and then held on to see if we get the squeeze. But now look at this. Come on. There's just no action. Look at the volume, NKLA, this is like nothing. Like, I don't even understand what happened there. That relief bounce just didn't hold up. Roku had some clean moves, but I haven't traded Roku in forever, and I was having trust issues by the time I saw this with everything, so I didn't take the trade. I saw this pullback right here into VWAP in the 90 EMA in this 152 area, okay, which 152, wait, yeah, 152. Where is it? Here we go. Zoom in here a little bit. You see these tops right here? Boom, 150, 151. This, I thought we would get a shot at this gap fill. I don't know if you can see it there. Up here to 159, and sure enough, 159. But I didn't take the trade because, like I said, I was having trust issues. And it's a shame. I should have taken the trade. Whether it was calls or just buying a couple hundred shares, 200-300 shares, it would have been, an awesome winner there, because we ran. It was a nice strong run. Regardless of the fact, guys, I'm sitting on a red day here, but this is manageable. It's more manageable than the only other red day I've had this week, which you remember was only $65. Today I lost $21. And I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to get that done here. And I'll tell you what, I'd be in the green with a little bit more than a base hit today had I not been a little bit extra greedy, or actually trading my plan and just taking full profit off the table right when I took my first profit. When I took my first take profit, if I would have taken off my whole position there, I would have made back my loss and well into the profit. But I didn't. I took only a half, and I waited to see if we can get an extension drop. And when we didn't get it, I stopped out. So here's my first trade. This is my red trade, okay? My red trade is on Tesla. I have one contract at 1171.65, 1400 strike expiration today. So these are extra volatile. That's why I'm only going to have one. I did consider adding a second if I saw the trade really start to work out. For right now, this is just a feeler, and very likely just to be my only position. So this is a really quick trade. What's happening here is the SPY was popping out a red to green move, okay? I expected Tesla to do the same. Like I said, they've been trading correlated. So SPY popping out a red to green move. I expect Tesla to possibly do the same, okay? We break up over VWAP, we break up over the 90 MA, okay? We break up over this 1390 area with the volume start to increase. So I take one starter there. See how volume is increasing? Look at the volume bar, boom. I didn't like the fact that the very next candle opened up underneath that. Even though it's not a huge deal because only like $2 under 1390, I did not like that. I didn't like the action. I sold out right there, stopped out, lost $127. That's it. Okay, could have easily lost more, only lost $127. The follow-up action on Tesla, I don't know if it's recorded here. Okay, no, this is my next trade, which is BYND. I'll show you that one. The follow-up action on Tesla after I sold out, okay, was this chop fest, chop, with a drop to make a new low of day. And then from this new low of day, it's decided to make a very nice run. So that's fun to watch. Then I have BYND, okay? And BYND, simple. It has a downgrade rating. It drops, okay? We gap down, we push lower, we bounce up into VWAP, okay? And the 90 MA is creeping on downward. So I'm looking to see if I can get short in here for another new low of day. That's it, 5 contracts to start, okay? In at 147, I'm looking to add more. So I'm looking at the daily here, of course. Right there, when I see that we're testing this VWAP and we're not breaking through, right there you see that quick drop. I want you to notice this. We're tapping VWAP. The ask is at $1.19, bid is at 105. We quickly take it all back, okay? And the bid's only at 115. I'm like, but I'm gonna add right here. So I add right there, boom. My new cost basis is 138. Now I have my full size. I'm not gonna add any more than that. And we begin to fail. See that? That's beautiful rejection. Volume increasing on the rejection. Beautiful, beautiful. So now I'm looking for us to push lower. New candle opens up lower. I'm like, bet, this is the one. Let's go. I begin to get ready to put out a profit target. Right there, I put out an order to sell 5 contracts at $1.60. I get a fill for 2 contracts there, and the rest of the fill comes in right there. So now I've sold, and I only have 5 contracts left from a cost basis of 129. We're popping off at 162. I'm looking to take off profits 180, 175 on the follow-up. So I put out an order. Well, I get ready to put out an order at 170. You can see there to sell 2 more contracts. Okay, we're at 169 on the ask. This is a no-brainer. It should happen. But then we begin to take it back, and I'm like, well, I don't know why. So I sold 2, and then we get that action right in front of the low of the day. I'm like, all right, I'm out, and I sell out the rest. And that right there still left me, red on the day. And as you can see, watch. Let me take you to BYND real quickly. BYND. Right here is where I sell out. Remember? And look at what happens right after. We rally it back. So bail before the fail there, and I'll show you here the orders. My first trade was a loss on 127. Then my follow-up trade on BYND is green all around and brings me back to just red $21. Guys, it's like a break even. That's how you manage risk. Being very, very selective, very, very careful. As you can see, I only took 2 trades. And guess what? Probably that's going to be it unless some A-quality setup stuff starts to happen here. I'm done. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I drop my next video. I'm going to drop another video today or over the weekend that I think you're really going to like. So make sure you hit the notification bell again, all right? So you're alerted. Hope you're having a great end of week, and I'll catch you on the next one.